Hi, I'm Kate and I am currently on a mission to get my house looking as clean as possible. So one of the products I bought is the Pink Stuff multi-purpose spray. I really like this spray, first of all because it doesn't leave streaks like some other sprays do that I've used. And it's just really good for just all general cleaning, just like daily grime. So cleaning down surfaces and doing around the taps, you can, even in the bathroom. It's really good just for general, cleaning the kitchen table, that kind of thing. It comes in a good size bottle. It's 850 mils. It's really good with like grease and oil as well. That really bugs me when I have a multi-purpose cleaner that like slides straight off the grease and just leaves it there. So this one actually lifts it, which is really good. So I'm going to show you the multi-purpose spray in use. So I love that you can use this on lots of different surfaces, and it does a really good job of tackling like grease and oil. So as you can see, it leaves like a really nice clean finish. And then I love that on the like steel surfaces, it's not streaky at all. So it just cleans it really nicely in one go. I also use this all over the house. So there's my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.